Alright, for this one we're going to actually build the belt buckle, and we're going to do it pretty much the same way that we did the belt. So I'm going to actually take the pants and duplicate the pants, and then I'm going to go to the topology brush, and I'm actually going to just draw this out, and draw this line out, and draw this line, and draw this line out, and this one, and this one, and then one right down the middle. And then if I Alt and delete that line, I get actually the buckle shape, kind of what I'm looking for here. And so to add that depth, you just want to make sure your draw size is down. So it's kind of, there's some thickness that I want with it, and so we'll see what 21 gives us. And that's not too bad with the thickness. And then from here, actually I'm going to just say split unmasked points, which will put us our buckle on its own, and so we'll rename that to buckle. And I'm actually going to get rid of this subtool right here. So select these pants and just delete them because we don't need them. This was just to basically draw this on the surface. So I'm actually turning on the polyframe just so I can see, and also I'm going to uncrease all, and then I'm going to go to the Z modeler, and then I'm going to insert multiple edge loops. Now if you hold down right in the middle and just click, it places that edge loop right, it subdivides it, or not subdivides it, but it places that new edge loop right in the center. And actually with symmetry, we can actually see that it's actually doing it on both sides. So from this point, I'm actually just going to kind of shape and form it how I'm kind of looking for, and so I'm actually going to just kind of scale in the X, a little bit in Y, actually place it up towards where I'm kind of looking for, and then also move it in Z, and probably just shrink the depth a little bit with the Z, and then actually right here I'm going to use the move brush and just kind of pull some of this into place how I want this. I kind of want this to have like a little bit of scoop up, and I'm actually just going to bring my brush size down a little bit, kind of pull these points and bump the brush back up, and then just put some curvature to this right here. Push this one down, push these down, and then actually scale this down just a little bit more. And with local symmetry turned on, actually going to turn off the activate symmetry, and then also reset the orientation, and then go to the unmasked center. And then so here, and okay, so from this point we're going to actually put a crease on the outside, and to do that we want to go to the Z modeler, and then we're going to say crease edge loop complete. Okay, and so we're going to do that on the outside ring. And so you can see right here, we want to crease edge loop complete, so it puts it around that whole edge loop right there. And then we're going to do this side loop, and then this top loop as well. Make it a little easier to see. So that top loop, and then I'll also probably do it on the inside loop as well. And so place it around the whole thing. And so from here, I can actually, whoops. actually frame that. And let's make sure that we're all right. And zoom out. And I'm going to get up just a little bit closer. And then I'm going to hit D for dynamic. Turn on subdivisions. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I kind of like how it's creased like that. Could maybe be a little softer around the edges, but I like how it looks. So with that, I'm actually just going to do a couple. Oops. I want to make sure that I'm in activate symmetry. So hit X. That way we can make those adjustments too on the fly here. Just a little bit on the back. Move this buckle kind of corner, move the corners up a little bit. Kind of like how that looks. I'm going to turn off the polyframe. And I had changed the color a little earlier, so this kind of grayish color. So just fill that object with that color. And so now that gives us our belt buckle. Go along with our belt. And there we go.